여기 아찔한 절벽을 오르며 스릴을 즐기고 있는 듯한 한 남자. 그렇게 안전 로프까지 벗어던진 그는 이를 악문채 정상까지 오르는데 성공합니다.
But you continued up with no safety rope.
Correct, yeah.
남자의 이름은 마이크로. 사실 그는 얼마 전 동생의 죽음으로 인해 정신치료까지 받고 있었는데요.
Your brother died. Deep down in a place you can't talk about, you wish it had been you and not him. And this causes behavior.
Like climbing the needles with no rope.
That would be an example. Yeah.
결국 마이크는 약물을 처방받고 집으로 돌아와 동생의 유품을 정리하다 우연히 동생이 남긴 유언장을 발견합니다.
I, John McCann of Minot, North Dakota, declare this to be my last will. In the event of death, I hereby direct that my body be cremated and that my ashes be scattered on Mount Everest. If I can't get there in life, I'll get there in death.
너무나 사랑했던 동생의 마지막 부탁에 마이크는 결국 에베레스트 산이 있는 카트만두로 향하기로 하죠. 그렇게 짧은 여행을 마친 뒤 마이크는 에베레스트에 오를 준비를 합니다.
Sleep well, Mr. McCann?
Very, thank you.
What can I do for you?
I arranged a guide to Everest Base Camp. Some guy named Danny Yanchang.
I am Danny.
Danny, got it. Apologies.
Do you have the urn?
Yep.
After you. First time in Kathmandu?
First time, yeah.
Were you in the service?
No, no. My brother was. You?
Yes.
잠시 후 가이드인 다니와 함께 마이크는 버스에 올라타는데요.
Let's go. Hi, Spike.
Oh, Danny, love of my life. You heading up to Sir Edmund's Folly again?
Where else?
We'll take a seat. They're going fast.
Hey, Mike.
Spike, nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Get on board.
이때 다른 승객들도 올라타기 시작합니다.
It's pretty amazing.
Wow.
All right, kia ora whānau. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Off we go, eh?
한편 누군가에게 전화를 걸고 있는 노인.
Hello? Hello, Papa.
Yeah?
I'm at the market.
Market? I have food for a month. Just get to the cabin as soon as possible.
Understood. See you soon.
You travel safe, my son. Come on.
전화를 받은 아들 BJ가 버스에 올라타지만 이때 그를 지켜보던 여성도 버스에 탑승합니다.
Welcome aboard, young fella. Take a seat. It was posted online, right? Next time I'm not stopping, all right?
그리고 거구의 남자까지 버스에 올라타며 버스 안은 긴장감이 맴도는데 바로 그때 본색을 드러내는 두 사람.
Sit down.
Drive. Yep.
평화롭던 버스는 순식간에 지옥으로 돌변합니다.
Alors, cell phones above your head. In the bag. Understand? Do what she says.
would love to, but that goes to roads that I am not rated for.
À gauche.
All right, go on left, go on left.
그렇게 버스는 인적이 드문 어느 마을로 향하는데
They are talking about a rendezvous.
What about us?
Kidnappers in Nepal. Don't leave witnesses.
다니의 말을 들은 마이크는 조용히 뭔가를 계획합니다.
We have the boy. Oui, alive, vivant. Okay.
다시 버스가 움직이자 계획을 실행하려는 마이크.
Take the girl.
Gladly.
잠시 후 수상함을 감지한 여자는 마이크에게 향하는데요.
What have you done?
그렇게 순식간에 버스 안은 전쟁터가 되죠. 겨우 거구의 남성을 제압한 마이크. 바로 그때 그렇게 테러리스트를 제압했지만 바퀴가 고장난 버스는 요동치는데 아슬아슬하게 매달려 있는 버스.
All right, everyone off the bus.
Good work, good work. Come on, let's go.
Mike! Mike!
Good. What's on there?
그런데 조심스레 짐을 챙기던 마이크는 동생의 유골함이 떨어진 걸 발견하고
What are you doing? Get out.
Goody, come on, come on. Come to me, come to me.
동생을 두고 떠날 수 없었던 그는 어떻게 해서든 유골함을 건져내려 합니다.
We got you, buddy.
결국 무사히 동생의 유골함을 건져낸 마이크.
So, what are we going to do with her? Not our problem now.
그때 타이밍 좋게 현지 경찰이 등장하는데요.
Captain Shankar, Provincial Police. What happened here?
Attempted kidnapping.
Her gun.
Ambulance bulaidio.
그렇게 상황은 일단 종료되고 일행들은 코달이라는 마을에 잠시 머물러 휴식하기로 하죠.
Ah, shit.
Nasty.
Well, she ain't making it up to Everest. Not today, at least. But I reckon a spot weld might get her down to the Arenica Highway.
I'm a fair hand with a welding torch, if you've got one.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'll bring her around.
You fight well.
You're not bad yourself. You'll have to show me that roundhouse kick.
You're too old.
I have young prana.
Young man!
한편 버스에 타고 있던 에반이라는 남자가 경찰에게 질문을 던지는데요.
Maleta Budina.
He doesn't speak English.
I need to know the status of the young man you and Mr. McCann saved from the kidnappers.
Bota. Kay cinta garno po na China.
He's awake. No need to worry.
I'd like to know his name.
Hey! 분kon한 개아워?
Vijay Rai.
Did he just say Vijay Rai? We wouldn't be in Kadari, would we?
Yes. This is Kodari. I am Johnny Yan Chen.
I'm sorry, Evan Myers.
I saw you speak in Pokhara last year, Professor.
Dad! Where are all the people?
Gone. There has been trouble here.
알고 보니 어떤 사연이 있었던 마을.
What kind of trouble?
It's a land dispute. A man named Rudra Yash wants to build the largest dam in the Himalayas. One of the families won't sell.
Land is all these people have.
Indeed.
버스에서 노려졌던 BJ라는 청년은 마을 촌장의 아들이었기에 마피아들에게 노려졌던 것이었죠. 그런데 이때 마을에서 토지 분쟁을 했다던 루드라 야시가 나타나는데요.
Excellent. The bus has arrived.
Captain. Excuse me, Captain, I have some questions. Captain, the young man in your care, Vijay Rai.
What about him? This way.
May I see him?
Unfortunately, Mr. Rai is still unconscious.
Your lieutenant said otherwise.
My lieutenant was mistaken.
Tell me, how often do provincial police patrol here? I mean, what luck that you arrived when you did.
Come on, Dad.
에바는 지금 이 상황이 수상하기만 합니다.
Just a second, honey.
그리고 에반의 예상대로 BJ는 루드라에게 끌려가 협박을 당하고 있었죠.
Where is your father, Vijay?
He won't sell to you.
Then you will.
Never.
Then the government will when you're all dead. Don't take all day.
그 시각 버스를 고치고 있던 마이크.
Something's not right here.
What's the problem?
We haven't formally met.
Mike.
Evan Myers. I represent a number of human rights watchdog groups. A man named Rudra Yash wants to dam the river up there. A local family, the Rais, won't sell him the land. The grandfather, Raj Rai, just died in a horrific bus accident. It was in the Kathmandu Post.
I read the article. His bus went off East Traverse.
To which I say bullshit.
Why Spike?
Well, never been one bus go off the East Traverse in the dry season. Not a one.
Right. Now get this. Raj Rai's son, Ganesh, is apparently missing. And his grandson, Vijay, is the young man you just saved from kidnappers.
Keep talking, Professor. You got my attention.
The kidnappers were rendezvousing here. Who with? Who just turned up out of the blue?
On you? You're not saying...
Police, yes.
Danny, you catching this?
It is possible. Rudra Yash is Kathmandu Mafia. Thugs and parasites. They buy judges and police.
What do you suggest we do, Professor?
Demand to see Vijay Rai.
You are poking a dragon.
I've poked one or two before, trust me.
I want answers.
You may need a translator. Danny, can you?
Yes.
결국 마이크 일행은 BJ가 걱정돼 그와 만나게 해달라고 부탁하기로 합니다.
Thanks.
Tell him we want to see VJ Rai.
係呢位置瑞你朋友查。
Mildaina. Aha, Mildaina. Aha, Mildaina.
No.
Come on.
Where is your father?
I'll call the American Embassy.
They took our phones.
I'm not looking for phones while that kid's been tortured. Wait here, Professor. Danny, come with me.
그렇게 BJ 구출 작전이 시작됩니다.
Where are you meeting him? Where is your father, Vijay?
Throw it down.
You don't know who you're dealing with.
Sure I do. There was me thinking the policemen were supposed to help the victim.
Everyone, calm down, please. Welcome to Kodari Rug Factory. At least tell me your names. We should at least know the names of the people pulling the trigger.
My name is Evan Myers. I represent the United States Department of State.
What a group we suddenly are.
In 24 hours, every human rights organization in the world will know about this.
갑작스럽게 에반이 죽고 이들은 총격전을 시작합니다.
Run! Now, run!
Spike! Start fast! Hurry up! Where's my father?
이들은 황급히 마을에서 탈출하려 하죠.
Where's my father?
He didn't make it.
What do you mean he didn't make it?
He's dead.
Do not shoot the boy.
Oh, shit! Everybody down!
결국 총에 맞은 버스 기사 대신 마이크가 운전대를 잡고 다시 버스를 움직입니다.
Give me a blade! A knife! Anything!
그렇게 이들은 마피아와 부패경찰 연합으로부터 겨우 탈출할 수 있었죠. 얼마 후 마이크는 갈림길에서 멈춰서는데요.
BJ?
Right turn back to the village. Left turn Chinese border. Safe there.
Which way is your father?
Left. Across the Annapurna Highlands. Very steep, very icy.
Right up my alley.
It's called the Road to the Sky. It's said Siddhartha came his way on his quest to find enlightenment.
Well, I ain't no Siddhartha. I'm as enlightened as I'm gonna get. Let me off the bus. I'm not dying here. Get me out of here.
결국 노인의 요청대로 마이크는 그를 데리고 버스 밖으로 나옵니다.
Forearms. Okay.
Better than one, I suppose.
You sure about this? Say the word, we'll take you back in.
I'm not dying on my own bus. I'd rather die out of here. Down the river, Danny.
안타깝게 스파이크를 떠나보낸 뒤 마이크는 일행들을 격려합니다.
My late brother used to say, life is for the living. We have to go on.
잠시 후 이들은 가파른 내리막길에 다시 멈춰서는데요.
40% grade, iced over. Hairpin turn at the bottom. Suicide.
No suicide, Mike. We use this.
Chinese.
Belt and Road Initiative for their construction equipment.
그렇게 장비를 이용해 내리막길로 이동하려는 마이크.
Everybody ready?
Donnie!
Do it!
Get ready!
Come on!
하지만 역시나 중국산 장비는 고장 나버리고 일행은 위기에 빠지는데요.
The engine seized.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
BJ.
Yes.
Yank the brakes.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Releasing that cable.
If we do, we die.
If we don't, we die.
Can you make that turn?
It's 50-50 at best.
Okay. Good enough. Give it to me.
Bus is going down.
결국 장비 없이 마이크는 절벽을 끼고 위험한 운전을 시작합니다.
Hang on!
Oh my god!
Everybody okay? Speak to me.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
버스는 전복됐지만 이들은 다행히 무사했는데요.
Shit. Without an axle, the Kiwi Express is officially dead.
So are we if we have to go on foot.
We tried. I'm sorry.
You saved our lives. If it wasn't for you, we'd be at the bottom of that cliff.
Anyone have a pair of binoculars?
이때 마이크는 절벽 아래 군용 차량들이 널브러져 있는 것을 발견합니다.
We're in business, kids. The Kiwi Express is about to be reborn. Come on.
Okay.
그렇게 이들은 버스를 다시 재정비하기 시작하죠. 한편 스파이크는 뒤쫓아오는 마피아를 발견하곤 사격을 날립니다.
Torture and defenseless kids is very bad karma, mate. Catch up with you in the next life.
I'm an atheist.
BJ,
Yeah.
need 2 more of these.
Got it.
그 시각 군용 차량의 부품들을 떼내려고 하는 이들.
Military run flat tires will come in handy.
내리막길을 보며 난감해하는 마피아.
The clutch is burned.
How long to fix it?
At least 2 hours.
This isn't the Himalayan trip you expected.
Pull on that.
Okay.
마이크 일행은 속도를 높여 망가진 버스를 본격적으로 고치기 시작합니다.
1, 2, 3, go!
Next stop, my father's cabin.
Good deal.
You okay?
Yeah, all good.
한편 BJ의 아빠는 마피아가 핸드폰을 가진 것을 모른 채 연락을 취하는데요.
Answer yes. Add emojis. It looks more natural.
The old fool fell for it.
Do you know where that is? The old man is there. Take him out and dispose of the body.
그렇게 명령을 받은 부하가 오두막으로 향하는 사이 마이크 일행도 같은 장소로 향하고 있습니다. 잠시 후 먼저 도착한 마피아의 부하가 오두막으로 들어가는데요. 바로 그때
Your father's?
No, no. My father is a mile further.
And whose is that?
That was our neighbor. Jay, beta.
Baba?
My boy. Beta, tu aa gaya.
알고 보니 군인 출신이었던 BJ의 아빠.
How did you know it was Rudra Yash texting and not me?
I send 2 emojis, I get 1 back. I send 1 emoji, I get none back. The code, remember? So I sent 1 and I got 1 back. So I knew he had your phone.
It's worked.
It worked, it worked. Oh, my boy. Chalo. These are your friends?
Yes, Baba.
Hey.
Thank you so much.
Danny.
Thank
And
you.
this is Star.
Thank you.
Hi.
Welcome, welcome.
And this is Mike.
Mr. Mike. Thank you so much.
Mike?
그런데 이때 마이크가 갑자기 정신을 잃고 쓰러져 이들은 황급히 마이크를 데리고 장소를 옮기는데요.
No, what? Let's not time.
Quiet.
그동안 자신의 총상을 숨겼던 마이크.
There is a first aid kit under the driver's seat.
The driver's seat.
Yeah.
Vijay, go. Go. I have a surgical kit.
Get it.
Yes.
Every inch of the highlands until we find them.
다행히 군 출신이던 다니가 마이크의 상처를 치료해 줍니다.
Will he live?
Star, I need your help.
Yeah, tell me what to do.
Go to the lake and refill this.
Okay.
그렇게 스타가 물을 채우고 있던 바로 그때
They're here. Vijay, move the bus.
Okay, Papa.
Quickly.
마피아가 등장하며 이들이 숨죽인 채 움직이던 그 순간
Take his weapons. We will need them.
Vijay. Yeah. The lake. Take his legs.
거처로 들어온 다니는 스타가 불안해하는 것을 보자 그녀에게 호신술을 알려주려 합니다.
I'll teach you. I can't teach you much in one night. Will you do your best?
Yes.
They announce when they are about to strike.
Right.
When you see the towel, you go to this position. Block. This track. Understand?
I think so.
그렇게 길었던 하루가 가고 날이 밝습니다.
You were a fool to not tell me. You couldn't have gotten us killed.
I didn't think it was as bad as...
Save it. Can you walk?
Of course I can walk.
We leave in 10 minutes.
회복한 마이크와 함께 출발한 이들은 다시 난관에 부딪히는데
We're going over that.
Yes. Use that crane.
Okay. You know this.
하지만 이때 마피아들이 이곳까지 추격해 옵니다.
I'm finished, Baba. Climb on.
You go ahead, Vijay. I will be with you. Hey,
What's happening?
Vijay!
Baba, what are you doing? Climb on.
Oh my god.
Baba, what are you doing? They will kill you.
Better me than you, son. No. Vijay, you look after our land, yes?
Danny?
결국 마피아들은 끝까지 BJ를 보내주지 않으려 하는데요.
Kill the son. Kill them all.
절체절명의 순간 마이크가 대응 사격을 시작합니다. 이때 마이크가 다시 크레인을 움직이기 위해 사투를 벌입니다.
BJ!
바로 그때 다니와 마이크의 활약 덕에 이들은 다시 도망칠 수 있었는데 하지만 마피아들도 쉽게 포기하지 않습니다.
They're coming again!
What weapons do we have?
This. And that shotgun.
Pull them off.
Let's go.
Let me help.
No. Your father's dead. You're fair game now. Put the stock against your shoulder. Aim and pull that.
뜻밖의 대응 사격에 마피아 여성은 비밀 무기를 꺼내드는데 겨우 터널로 들어선 마이크는 앞서간 마피아를 발견합니다.
There he is.
What's he doing?
Dynamite.
Can you outrun it?
Is there a choice?
그렇게 정면 돌파로 터널을 빠져나왔지만 다시 마피아가 따라붙고
Shit. They're back. BJ, use it.
Get the shotgun.
Okay.
상황이 악화되자 결국 마이크가 나서려는데 부패 경찰까지 합류하며 상황은 더욱 악화됩니다. 일촉즉발의 상황. 스타는 다니에게서 배운 호신술로 틈을 만들고 마무리는 다니가 해내죠. 그렇게 위기를 넘긴 이들이었지만 아직 방심하기엔 일렀죠.
There's one left.
멀리 떨어져 버스를 쫓던 루드라에게 반격을 시작하는 마이크.
All those in favor, say aye.
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 Aye. The ayes have it.
결국 모든 마피아를 일망타진한 이들은 중국 공안의 도움을 받습니다.
With this new dam, smaller yet sufficient to meet our needs, we will have both our river and electricity.
며칠 뒤 BJ는 마을에 도움이 될 댐을 건축하기로 하며 모든 상황은 끝이 나는데요.
Bye, Danny.
Goodbye, my beautiful star.
Thank you, Mike.
Star? Bye.
Take care.
We have an appointment, sir.
We sure do.
마이크도 원래 목적이었던 에베레스트로 향합니다.
We talked about the summit, bro. But given my age, this'll have to do. I love you, Gertie.
그렇게 동생의 유해를 뿌린 뒤 다시 돌아가려는 마이크.
I don't know what to say.
Nor I. Maybe we'll understand all this later.
Maybe. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Mike.
Bye.
고향으로 돌아가는 마이크의 모습과 함께 영화 아이스로드 벤전스는 막을 내립니다.